Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you the Premiere PowerBIN. Suppose you have a talking head video or any clip and you want to use an effect which you have made in the past. The effect could be something like the stack of 3 images positioned at a face, right? If I want to save these stack of images or these stack of clips as a preset, there is no way in Premiere Pro that we can do this. So for this, I have built a plugin called Premiere PowerBIN. So today I'll show you how this works and how you can use this plugin to 10x your productivity as a video editor. You want to change something like this. You have 3 images that are coming like this and you want to save a preset. All you need to do is select this, copy this, hit CTRL+C, and go to your Premiere PowerBIN, and then you can see, like, say, flip and the new Adobe icon, something like this. Just make sure that the clip doesn't have any faces, and then, okay, and then it has new Adobe faces. So when I want to use something similar in the future, what I can do is just double click on it and it will just paste it. So you can save anything as a preset. You can save a stack of sound effects as the preset also like this, right? So you don't have to go to After Effects to do all this thing. One more feature this plugin has is the quick panel. All you have to do is click on the quick panel and select the clips you want to access very fast. So I'll just click on these and open. So as you can see, I have this quick access panel, and once I move to Premiere Pro, it will be floating on top of my Premiere Pro. So whenever I want an effect, what I can do is click on this and it will just paste in your timeline, right? And you can be productive as hell. Like, you can make presets for almost everything. And also this supports the shortcut key feature. So when you click on one while clicking here, when you press 1, it will add the first thing from the quick list. So when I press 2, it will just add the second thing, right? So these are the main features. And if you think that this is taking a lot more space, what you can do is press here and it will be something like this, and you can even shorten this out. So it will be something like this, right? You can create folders, subfolders, and make a whole library for yourself. And then you can also export this as the preset library and share it with your friends also. Just make sure if you're using any images, those images are present in their folder. They might need to relink them. So yeah, this was the plugin, and let me know your thoughts about it. Join the Discord group down below to get answers to your questions. You can buy this plugin from the Gumroad link. I'll see you